We're going to do a quick demo of the bundle reporting beta here, and as you can see, we'll start from the dashboard. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to upload our logos. So logos can show on the report for your organization. To find that, you'll go over here to the right or the left-hand column, click on My Organization, go to Details, and in Details, you'll see a place to choose file to add your logo. I've already added my logo, but you'll click there. It'll open up, and then you'll select from your computer the logo you want to go up on the file, and you'll see your logo appear up here once it's updated. From there, we go back to contributions, and we'll just do a basic contribution search here, which will return all the contributions in our demo data set. So got 56 contributions, $116,000 or so there. And so this can be done, these reports, for any query you pull. So it has a typical report. You'd pull your query and then click on this export button. And you can either export all, and that will export everything you see there to a CSV, a subtotal by contributor, which will export to a CSV but subtotal the amounts for every contributor, subtotal by recipient, which will export to CSV and subtotal all the amounts by recipient, or the custom query report. And I'll click the custom query and we'll go into that real fast. And so as you can see, it gives us spaces, up to 8 spaces, to assign what we want to appear by columns in order on our final report. So let's say the first thing we want is the contributor name. The second thing maybe is the recipient name. The third item that makes sense is contribution amount. And then maybe the last thing we want on there is the legal entity that the check came from. So that would give us 4 columns. So then we can have a contributor name, which is who the report is prepared for. And so we'll just solve this one as, all contributors. And then the description is full contribution report. And then the next thing, we can export this to a CSV directly, but in most cases for printing or emailing a PDF, you'll want to click Print Selected Columns. That'll pull up this file right here, which is a page that we will print or export to PDF off of. Your machine should automatically pop up this screen. If it doesn't, you can always push Control Print, and that'll bring the screen up in your browser. And there's a couple settings we want to make sure are correct so we get a nicely formatted report here. The first is we want to make sure we're in landscape. If we're in portrait, sometimes it will actually cut off this right-hand column, so we want to be in landscape. Click landscape. And then the other item we want to make sure is in this more settings, there are headers that your browser may be putting on the file. Now click that so you can see what it looks like. You see we have these headers up here. It shows the date and the website. To get rid of those, we just uncheck headers and footers, and that will show us a nice, clean report with our logo, with a title, and everything you'd want to see that you had selected there. If we want to print, of course we can print, or if we'd like to open in PDF, so we can save it as a PDF, we would open in PDF Preview, and then we get a nice PDF here that we can save as a PDF and email around, or we could save it as a PDF and print it if we wanted to do that. So that is the Bundl custom query format beta in brief. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call as we continue to work and make this feature better. Thank you.